Wait a minute. So I went back and made a mistake. The machines are now games. Is that it goes back to work according to Kier game. It's not integrated. Like the old machines, they're smart. You like to buy. I sold it for the game configuration. Money, and in the past it did. It's kind of branded those things as well. Sometimes it is. So it's these guys. I just need the wrong one. It's heavy. It hangs. It can't load. That's right. Yeah, it doesn't work. If you play the game, you can't click it. Yes, you can see that there. Old life is different. It's big, it's healthy. It can push up. It just uses electricity, and now it's all thin. It's called the right price or a lot. It doesn't make redundant. It has to drown a little, people will. For example, this guy knows. I want to.